Finance teams have adopted AI, advanced dashboards, real-time alerts, automated forecasts. Yet, despite the technology, business outcomes haven't improved. Why? Anna receives AI-generated warnings about margin risks and cost overruns. Leadership believes they've successfully adopted AI.
These numbers don't match our spreadsheets. How can I trust this when it conflicts with our historical reports?
Without clean, governed data, teams spend time validating insights instead of acting on them. Trust becomes the first invisible barrier.
We're seeing all these alerts and risks in real time, but who is actually responsible for responding to them?
Insights become trapped between departments. No clear ownership means no action. Accountability becomes the second barrier. The final barrier is speed. Monthly review cycles continue while real-time risks grow. By the time leadership discusses issues, the financial impact has already occurred.
The solution isn't better algorithms, it's better systems. Governed data builds trust. Clear mandates create ownership.
Faster decision cycles enable immediate response to business signals. AI becomes an operational enabler, not just a reporting tool. Technology alone doesn't create value. Real impact comes from organizations that trust their data, empower decision makers, and act quickly.